Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Ramsha Sultan and today I am going to show you guys how to look like a Kashmiri girl. I recently went to Kashmir for the second time. By the way, if you haven't watched already, check out my Kashmir vlog. I will be linking it down in the description box down below. I just love that place. And the thing that really stuck with me is that the people over there are extremely good looking, both men and women. They are naturally very beautiful, and especially with the Kashmiri women, they have a very, rosy and natural glow on their face. They are very beautiful, so I just wanted to recreate their look. So I would be showing you guys how you can do your makeup in a way that you look like a Kashmiri girl. So let's begin. First of all, make sure that your skin is well cleaned and well moisturized, because moisturization is the key, because it makes the skin look healthy. So after a good moisturization on the skin, which I've already done, I'll be using a primer on my face, and this is the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. This will make my skin look very smooth and flawless. What I love about primers is that they make the skin so smooth, like the skin feels butter soft after applying a primer. Now we will be using a light coverage foundation, because Kashmiris have a very fair skin tone and they have a flawless skin. So for that we would be needing the foundation, and I will be using the Color Bar Aqua Feel Pro foundation. So I'll be taking a little quantity and I would be dotting it around my face. So I'll be blending it with a flat top kabuki brush by Sigma. This is the first time I am using a flat top kabuki brush, and it feels so much like a luxury, and it really very nicely blends the foundation. Now I'll be using a concealer to conceal under my eyes and also on a few spots that I have on my face, so that my face looks flawless. By the way, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I prefer blending the concealer with my fingers, because the concealer really blends well with the warmth of the fingers. So to make our makeup last longer, we would be using a compact powder. So I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me compact powder with a Sigma Powder Sweep F06 brush, and I will be making sure that I put powder everywhere I put my concealer, so that the concealer does not crease in the creases of my face. So the base is done, but my face looks very white right now, and I need to bring in some color to my face, so I'll be contouring my face. Now contouring and bronzing is not purely because you want to make your face look very tanned or bronzed. The purpose of contouring is to give those edges to your face. So I would be putting the little bit of bronzer shade on the cheekbones, just behind my cheekbones, so that a little depth comes on my face like this. And by the way, I'm using the My Glam Chisel It palette, and I am using the bronzer shade over here, which is this. So yeah, and make sure to blend it well, otherwise you look very funny. I'll also be contouring my nose because Kashmiris have very sharp nose. So I'll be giving a depth effect on the sides of my nose so that it looks a little sharper. I'll also be putting a little color on the crease of my eyes because that's where the shadows naturally come on the face, on the crease, on the sides of the nose, on the cheekbones, on this forehead and jawline. But I won't be doing the forehead and the jawline because I don't need to. I wear a hijab and that does half of the contouring for me. So now the base is done and we will now be filling up our eyebrows because Kashmiris have very full and thick eyebrows. Mashallah, I have quite full and thick eyebrows. I will just be filling them a little, and for that I would be using my Naked 3 palette from Urban Decay, and I would be using this shade which is Dark Side from this palette. I use this shade to fill in my eyebrows and I've been using it since past 1 year. So I'll just be very lightly filling my eyebrows with it. I don't need to shape my eyebrows. Alhamdulillah, I have a good shape of eyebrows. I have fuller eyebrows. So just a little bit of filling and we're done. I am not extending or thickening my eyebrows with it. I'm just very lightly filling my eyebrows. And we're done. So now we will be doing my most favorite part, and that is to make the cheeks and lips look very flushed. And for that I would be using the Body Shop lip and cheek stain because Kashmiris naturally have these flushed and tomato like cheeks, and they also have very rosy lips. So we will be achieving that look with this lip and cheek stain. And we're done. I've applied the lip tint on my lips and it's giving a very natural look, as if my lips are naturally like this. Now I will be applying this lip tint on my cheeks. This is my favorite part. I just love pink and rosy cheeks. If you know me, you know that I literally make my cheeks red or pink completely with a lipstick or with a blush because I love tinted cheeks. So let's do it. So we've applied the tint like this, and now watch me what I do. And there you go. This lip tint literally makes the cheeks look naturally rosy and flushed. I just love applying blushes or lip tints or even lipsticks on my cheeks. They just make the face so beautiful. I just love applying blush. So I'll be winging out my eyes with the O3 Plus Professional Sketch Marker Liquid Liner. So now we're done with our eyeliner, and now I would be curling my lashes because curling the eyelashes makes such a huge difference. Now I will be using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. It is one of the most natural looking mascaras in the market. It makes the eyes look naturally curled and much fuller. Kashmiris have a very glowy skin, and for that I would be using a highlighter to give a natural glow to my face, and I would be using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish highlighter. This is one of the best highlighters in the market. It looks so natural, guys. I just love it. So our look is pretty much done now, but I feel that my eyelashes are not visible through the camera. So I will be using the pack eyelashes in 54. Now this is completely optional. You do not need to do it in day-to-day life. But camera needs a little bit more makeup. So I'll be using my falsies. So I've applied my false lashes and you can see that they make such a huge difference. So this is how you can look like a Kashmiri girl. This makeup look is a very natural looking makeup with a lot of flush on the cheeks and lips, and you will look very naturally rosy, beautiful with this makeup look. I just love doing this kind of makeup. By the way, if you like the scarf that I'm wearing right now, you can actually purchase it from my website ramshasultan.com. It is India's exclusive hijab brand wherein you get a large variety of hijabs, scarves, hijabs accessories and a lot more. So do check it out. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. And yes, don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram to know me a little more. This is me, Ramsha Sultan, signing off.